14 nurses at same hospital, all pregnant, by same doctor. Big news quietly began spreading inside a hospital maternity unit in a way no one expected, not through official emails or staff meetings, but through casual conversations during exhausting night shifts when one nurse hesitantly mentioned feeling unusually tired and nauseous. Another laughed and admitted she felt the same, and slowly, one by one, pregnancy tests confirmed what first felt like coincidence and soon turned into something almost unbelievable. Because 14 nurses working in the same maternity department all discovered they were pregnant at the same time. The very women who spent their days and nights guiding mothers through labor, monitoring heartbeats, calming fears, and celebrating first cries now found themselves standing on the same side of the journey they had supported for years. And as the realization settled in, the unit transformed in subtle but powerful ways, with lockers filling up with prenatal vitamins, break rooms stocked with ginger tea and crackers for morning sickness, and shift schedules quietly adjusted as co workers looked out for one another, stepping in without being asked when someone needed to sit down or catch her breath. While conversations that once revolved around patient charts and emergency procedures slowly blended with discussions about due dates, ultrasounds, baby kicks, nursery colors, and name ideas, creating a unique atmosphere where medical professionalism and deeply personal excitement coexisted side by side, strengthening an already close knit team into something that felt more like a family. As senior nurses shared wisdom not just from textbooks but from motherhood itself, while first time moms leaned on the reassurance of those who had delivered hundreds of babies, yet were now experiencing the same fears and joys firsthand. And as weeks passed, the maternity ward took on an almost poetic irony, because the place designed to welcome new life was now nurturing 14 lives behind the scenes as well, turning routine moments into emotional ones, where the sound of a newborn's first cry sometimes brought unexpected tears to the nurses' eyes as they imagined their own baby soon arriving. And despite the physical demands of the job, the shared experience created an unspoken understanding, a gentle patience among staff, and a deeper empathy for the mothers they cared for, since every contraction, every anxious glance, and every whispered question now felt more personal than ever, while hospital administrators watched in awe, informally calling it a baby boom within the department and marveling at how morale had lifted during a period when healthcare workers often face burnout and emotional exhaustion. And when word of the story eventually spread beyond the hospital walls, it resonated with people everywhere, not because of shock or strangeness, but because it reminded them of something simple and beautiful, that even in the busiest, most stressful environments, human connection can grow, support can multiply, and joy can arrive unexpectedly. And as the nurses continued working side by side, counting down not just patient due dates but their own, the maternity unit became more than a workplace. It became a shared chapter in their lives, a rare moment where friendship, purpose, and new beginnings aligned perfectly, proving that sometimes the people who dedicate their lives to bringing babies into the world end up embarking on that same journey together, stronger, closer, and forever bonded by a once in a lifetime baby boom.